Dynamite, give me the ball.
Hurry, you better.
Ah! No! Stop trying to open the fence. Why'd you open the fence, Dynamite? Get back! You're lucky I'm in my boxers. Out in the morning. Woo, woo, woo. Get back here. Ew, crap. Give me the ball. Yes. Got the ball. Yeah! Ew, the ball. I'm not touching the ball. Okay, bye-bye ball. Poop. Ew, nasty poop. So take a video, Marie. Let's take a video of my dog Joey.
And then when he eats it all, he can get more.
What?
If he just...
That's not enough for Joey.
No, Dad said if he eats it all, he can get more.
No, Dad didn't say that. Dad gives him one little bit, like, fills it out to right, the whole thing's circled. You gave him... Dynamite's supposed to have his own food. Not Joey's food. Like, a little bit more.
No, because that's just a waste.
Shut up, he does eat it. And if he doesn't, Dynamite eats it. That's enough.
Do you want me to go get some more for Dynamite?
Yeah. Okay.
Dynamite's not...
Shut up!
That's the size of the bowl, too.
Yum, I want to eat one.
I ate one once, and then...
Try eating it.
No, I already ate one once.
What did I eat? It's chocolate. It's
No,
chocolate
it's not.
Cocoa
It's
Puff.
dog food. No, it's not. This one's chocolate food.
That's
you wanna
dog
see?
food. This is chocolate. It's chocolate cereal. See? Chocolate cereal.
The dogs are allowed to eat chocolate cereal. They're allowed to.
This is a brand new bag that we just got. It's good. Marina, aren't these chocolate cereal?
Yes.
Oh, Nene, it's good.
See, look, I'll eat one. I did not do that. I can't.
Come on, Nene, it's good.
Okay.
Did you actually put it? Oh. Here. Say,
Because it actually look like. I didn't swallow it.
spit it out. It's dog food.
It's done. What do you want me to see nice too? That would make you feel better. His mouth.
That's not his. Mom cannot fit that little thing.
No, it shrunk. Miles played for a little league.
Are you okay, Nene?
No. Showy.
Have a nice day with Marina.
She gave dog food.